Hi, it's Steve Greenfield from Automotive Ventures with your daily download where we recap the day's automotive technology deals. On today's daily download, I have big news to share about Automotive Ventures as we've just closed our first venture capital fund to invest in early stage auto tech companies. Over the years, I've had a chance to speak with hundreds of early stage companies in the auto tech space, and many of them struggle with the best way to raise money to help accelerate growth. We are now uniquely positioned to provide these funds, as well as our deep automotive expertise and connections to early stage auto tech companies. Today, I'm excited to announce the final closing of our first venture fund, Automotive Ventures Fund I. Fundraising during a global pandemic has had its challenges, but I'm pleased to report the fund was oversubscribed with more than $7 million in committed capital that we're eager to deploy into early stage automotive tech companies. We've been actively investing out of the fund since our first close in December last year and are honored to have had the chance to invest in 6 companies so far: Algodriven, Car Capital, HopDrive, RoboTire, SparkCharge, and WarrCloud. It's an interesting time to be in the automotive space, to say the least. We believe the industry is at an inflection point and on the cusp of massive change. We are excited and humbled to play a small part to help usher in the next wave of technological innovation in the industry by funding the founders who are building transformational companies in the space. Our key focus areas across automotive and mobility more broadly include the digitization of dealerships, electrification, car connectivity, autonomy, and shared mobility. We will additionally fund startups with a wide array of different business models, from B2B SaaS and data companies to marketplaces and even hardware businesses. We're proudly located in Atlanta, Georgia, and love meeting founders in our backyard. That said, in terms of our investment strategy, we plan to be geographically agnostic, although anticipate that most of our investments will be made in US-based companies. We aim to invest in the very early stages of a company's journey, most typically in the seed or pre-seed round, but occasionally our first investment may be in Series A. We anticipate that we'll often be the first institutional investor that puts in money and find ourselves investing alongside angel investors and even friends and family. Our initial check size will be $100,000 to $200,000, thus we typically won't be leading rounds and will consequently rarely take board seats. We reserve 50% of our capital for follow-on investments, in which we'll cut slightly larger checks and may solicit participation from our limited partners to co-invest alongside us. I want to express a big thanks to our investors for supporting us on this journey, and thank our portfolio companies who are each working to redefine their respective slices of the auto industry and inspire us each and every day. If you're an early stage entrepreneur working in automotive, please reach out to us. We'd love to hear more about what you're building and how we can support you.